Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of GNS Miniatures. Today we have an exciting fresh model to unbox. So probably this will be the first unboxing video on YouTube on this model. First of all, let's take this outer cover and see what's inside. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is a model by Schuco. It's a quite large box, right? So let's see what is this model. Here you go. It's a 1:12 scale Mercedes 300 SL by Schuco. So it's a nice blue Mercedes 300 SL. So let's first have a look on this box. This side you can see the beautiful front of the 300 SL. Then in this side you can see the front view with the open gull windows. And this side, an exciting thing, it shows the opening parts of this model. Also, this model comes with a metal body and plastic parts. So now it's time to the most exciting part. We are going to unbox this model and see what's inside. Now, let's see this model. Ta-da! Wow. Oh my God! I don't know what I think so. It's too heavy. Ta-da! Oh my God! Here you go, the blue beauty. Wow! Now, as this model is out, it's time for us to take a break. See you next week with the reveal and the photo shoot of this beautiful model. Also, leave a comment if you have an idea, a place or a location in Sri Lanka you guys like us to photo shoot this model. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so far. Also, like us on Facebook and Instagram. See you guys next week. Bye bye.